Welcome to Groweon CRM. Today, we're diving into an essential feature within the CRM known as the Reorder Reminder. You'll find this feature under the Lead section in the left navigation, specifically on the Reorder Reminder tab. Once a deal is finalized and you anticipate that a customer will be placing a repeat order after a certain period, be it 3 months, 6 months, a year, or any specific timeline, you can utilize this feature. Simply navigate to this tab, click on Add, enter the email ID or mobile number of your client, then save and continue. Since the customer's data is already stored in the CRM, their details will be autofilled. All you need to do is select the product for which you're expecting a reorder. Click on Add, input the tentative value of the order you anticipate from the customer, and jot down the details. Next, select the expected reorder date along with the date from which you'll start following up with the customer for the reorder. Just click on Add. You may notice additional contact details, but those can be ignored. Once the order is generated on the tentative date, you'll see a lead appear in the CRM. This lead is marked as active. Head over to the Lead section. Here, you'll find a lead with the subject line, Reorder Reminder of a particular product. As shown in other videos, you would handle this lead by calling the customer, updating the stages, setting reminders, and more. You'll need to perform this process only once to add a customer to the reorder system. After the deal matures and you receive the order, simply go to Thumbs Up, click on Deal 1, hit Submit, and on the order registration page, you'll find an option to set next renewal. Here, I'm just completing the order. For instance, I'm selecting a renewal date of May 27th and a follow-up date of May 26th. Simply save and continue. Remember, we added one lead earlier. Now, within the Reorder Reminder section, you'll see an additional lead pending. This was the one previously marked as active. Now it's marked as pending. If you wish to activate this lead, you can do so manually right now, as the system update Necron job will process later in the evening or at night. Once activated, you'll notice another lead for that specific customer. For example, you might see a reorder reminder for a OnePlus phone. This lead has entered the system for the 8th time. I hope you find this feature appealing and believe it will be beneficial for you. For more information and additional videos, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot for tuning in.